Guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to all of you. Wishing you all the best for 2023. Today's video is a home reset for the new year. First thing that I did was run to Home Depot, get some storage boxes and some cleaning supplies and headed home to take down all my Christmas decor. I know some people have very strong opinions about removing Christmas before January 6th, which are Los Reyes Magos or the Three Kings. But you guys, I love to start my new year with a clean home, a clutter-free home. Much as I love Christmas, I take it all down before New Year's Eve and I just start, all fresh for the new year with a clean home. What I love about this holiday season was that I did not host Christmas Eve, I didn't host Christmas Day or New Year's, anything, you guys. So the house was pretty clean. I'm not gonna do too much of a voiceover on this video. As you can tell, I don't have much of a voice. I'm still dealing with a cold, so bear with me as I get better. And here's pretty much the aftermath after I'm done bringing down all the ornaments or the Christmas decor that I had around the house. And mind you, I didn't go too crazy this year and look at everything that I have. But I really honestly love decorating light because when it's time to pack it all up, it's such a breeze, you guys. So here I am just taking things out from the entryway, and then I headed to Jaden's room, which is the other Christmas tree that I had, and just bringing everything down as well in here. His bed was full of toys from Christmas Day, and I'm just over here organizing the toys. I use zip glove bags to, put all the little toys away, like the tiny figure toys. So that's what I'm doing right here, just clearing out his room.
Every change has a reason.
For you guys is to use a blow dryer to heat up your command hooks so they could come out easily. In my case, I have wallpaper on my fireplace, so I wanted to make sure that it doesn't get ruined, and everything came out so nicely. After that, I went ahead and vacuumed the entire house.
Expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
In the house, I gave the guest bathroom a quick cleanup, and don't come for me, I'm not wearing gloves, but definitely wear your gloves, you guys. When you use detergent and stuff like that, you should take care of yourself. But I was just in a hurry and I didn't even know where my gloves were, so we just kind of cleaned this bathroom real quick. It was clean, but I like to just clean on top of clean, so that's just me.
We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right?
was done cleaning the bathroom, I headed back to the kitchen and washed the dishes that I had there from breakfast, whatever. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe all my counters real good and clean my stove.
'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Of course, we're gonna add some pop of decor because it just looks so empty. After you take the holiday decor, you feel like, oh my god, there's nothing here. I got this cute little sign that says Alessa do the dishes at Home Goods. I thought it was so cute, and of course I have to put it there. Then I went ahead and cleaned all my appliances.
Baby, we should start living now.
So you guys, I redecorated the shelves and I honestly kept it real simple, just using items that I already have in the house, not buying anything new because you know spring is coming and we're gonna be going all out. So pretty much I cleaned the entire house and kind of redecorated it using items that I already had at my house. Down my entryway area and just added a few pop-up decor there so it doesn't look so empty. Two set of seat covers, so I'm just removing the old one and putting new one so I could wash the old set that I had in here. Trust me, I got it on Amazon and I love this. It maintains my chair super nice and clean. I don't have to worry about, you know, Jaden staining them because I could just take them out and wash them. So that's what I'm doing here, taking down the ones that are dirty and putting the new ones, and just added a pop of decor in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and of course map my floors with my vacuum and map. You guys know I love this machine. It is the best thing you would ever invest on, so I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. And I'm just gonna be vacuuming and mopping all at once. Best thing ever. You guys, that was it for today's video. Now I have a clean slate to start the year. You know, I still have a little pop of decor, but everything is super white and neutral until we get to spring decorating and we start adding pops of color throughout this house. Stay tuned for all the spring projects and those spring videos coming soon. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. God bless.